I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here today for the Autumn Afternoon Tea Party Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, co-hosting May's Design Corner, Jean Home Decor and more, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these participating channels as well as any other participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It'll be so nice hosting my friends this afternoon for this autumn tea party. I'm going to start off using these beautiful fall-inspired placemats with all of the colors of autumn. They're so pretty and will be perfect for the season. I am going to be serving my friends apple cider with cinnamon sticks this afternoon for the tea party. I've added this tiered tray to the center of the table and I'm going to add some sunflowers as my floral accent. To this tray I've added my homemade pumpkin Snickerdoodle cookies. They'll be so delicious today for the party. I'll add a few more floral accents right around the base of the tiered tray and one more on the top. This cute little squirrel will be a nice addition to the table. These adorable pumpkin plates will be perfect today and they match so nicely with my placemats. This little white pumpkin will look just right on the other side of the tiered tray. The table is all set and I'm super excited about my friends coming over today. We always have such a wonderful time. Today I'm going to be serving a spinach salad with a raspberry vinaigrette dressing, and I'm going to be serving egg salad sandwiches and homemade potato chips. To take home, my guests will each get a gift bag full of my homemade Snickerdoodle cookies. It'll be a special treat because I always love sending something extra special home with all of my friends when they come to visit. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time putting together this afternoon tea party. My friends will be here any minute and I'm super excited to sit down and relax and visit with them and catch up. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below. And a special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for putting together this really fun collaboration. I'll see you next time.